I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Merry Christmas, everyone. Vanilla Cupcakes for Christmas. What we are doing today. Enjoy yourself. Are there any kids watching? Let's do it together. I'm here with Ella.
Hi. Vanilla.
We need vanilla.
Eggs.
We need 2 eggs.
Sugar.
We need sugar.
Powder.
Baking powder.
Baking powder.
Yeah, this is baking powder. We need 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and this is baking flour, and this is Prestige. Yeah, and we need 250 grams of Prestige. Let's get started. Right? Yeah. Done. Now let's put the sugar. Putting sugar. And then we mix. Baking powder, 1 teaspoon. And vanilla, 1 teaspoon. Milk. And then we put our baking flour. Put little by little. Can I help you? Now it's time to take to the oven. There we go. Our cupcakes are ready. Our vanilla cupcakes are ready. After 1 hour or 45, I used 45, I think. Yeah, they are ready, and this is how they look like. Wow, we did it! Let's Let's open inside and we see. Wow, this is lovely. Wow, this is so lovely. Thank you for watching. Merry Christmas, everyone. Bye bye.